Hello and welcome. My name is Jeremiah, and this is Tips and Tricks with ProPricer. Way back in our first episode of Tips and Tricks, I showed you how to use the New tab to create a proposal from scratch. It's a good way to start new proposals if you're just getting started with ProPricer, or if you need to create a unique proposal. But if your team often develops proposals with some basic structure, I'd like to encourage you not to use the New tab. Instead, set up a template proposal that your team can use for a quick start on new proposals. What is a template proposal, you may ask? A template proposal is an empty shell of a proposal that can be copied in order to create a new proposal with things like rates, SIRs, tasks predefined already. If you're not already using template proposals, you should be. And if you're already in the know, then here are some tips to help you perfect your process. Let's get started. Begin by creating a folder to hold all your templates. Start the name of the folder with an exclamation point or some other special character, like this. The special character keeps the folder at the top of the proposals list in the navigation pane. This way you always have quick access to the folder. Now that's a handy little tip right there. Next, I'll copy a completed proposal that I want to use as a base for my template. Right-click and copy the proposal and name it Government Template version 0 or something snappy like that. Then save it to the Templates folder. Alright, now that's done. I'm ready to edit my template. Did you name yours something snappy? I hope you did. I'll start by editing the template to remove all tasks except for warranty task, because that can be reused on my next project. You can do this by selecting all other tasks and pressing the delete key on the keyboard, or by right-clicking the selected tasks and clicking delete. Next, I'll go to the proposal properties by right-clicking on the proposal and selecting Properties. On the first page, the General page, I'll clear out some of the proposal info, like the proposal number and the description. For this template, the manager and business unit never change, so they can stay. And I'll clear out the rest of the fields. Then, I'll check the pricing page and check to make sure that all the rate tables have current rates. On a side note, this is the main page that you will be updating on your template proposals as new rates get announced. Okay, I don't have time to go through all the different properties here, but you should, and keep anything that applies to your projects, like perhaps the SIRs or travel rates. Lastly, make sure the freeze dates on the calendar page are completely empty. In older versions of ProPricer, the cost base date field must be empty. If there are values in these fields, the rates in any proposal using this template will be affected. Bad things will happen, so make sure they're cleared out. Okay, the template is now how I like it, so let's protect it from future changes. To do this, I'll right-click on the proposal and select Lock. Now, the next part of this locking process is very important. When prompted, make sure you select Include All Tables and Library Items. If you skip this step, any proposals created with your template will have no resources available to enter for estimates. Now, the proposal is safe from changes, but it still could be deleted. To address this, I'll only allow access rights to the folder so the template cannot be deleted. And now my template is complete. In summary, the main benefit of creating a template proposal is avoiding unnecessary time when setting up a new proposal. As an added perk, other users can use your template if they aren't able to create their own proposal due to limited access rights. This way you can avoid creating new proposals for others as needed. And of course, you can create multiple templates to cover different types of proposal outputs. If you thought this video was helpful, please share it with a colleague. If you or your team have any questions we can help with, or any tips and tricks of your own, we encourage you to post them on our support portal or email us directly. And again, my name is Jeremiah Hale, and as always, thanks for watching.